The only thing between my head and 10,000 BTUs of radiant heat is 0.2 millimeters of aluminum foil. The sheet on my right is painted black. The one on my left is shiny. Now let's look at this on a thermal camera. My left side, as you can see, is staying nice and cool because the foil is reflecting the radiant heat away from me. My right side is getting blasted with heat. If this continues much longer, I'm gonna be like a toasted marshmallow. Radiant heat is the waves of pure energy we get from the sun, glowing charcoal briquettes, and the broiler element in your oven. Because radiant heat is infrared light, you can control it with shiny surfaces. So here's how. If you cover food on the grill with a shiny metal bowl, you can reflect the radiant heat from the coals back down on top of it, speeding cooking and browning the top and bottom at the same time. Trying to cook a whole turkey or chicken evenly? Make a foil shield for the breast and reflect radiant heat away from it. Are your cakes browning too fast at the edges? Make a foil collar around the cake pan to reflect radiant heat away. So remember that radiant heat is light, and get creative putting shiny surfaces to work in your kitchen.
Thanks for watching America's Test Kitchen. What'd you think?
Well, leave a comment and let us know which recipes you're excited to make, or you can just say hello.
You can find links to today's recipes and reviews in the video description.
And don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
See you later.
I'll see you later.